Government is sweating over possible protests during the Southern African Development Community SADC Summit to be held next month amid revelations that security agents are on high alert to thwart any planned unrest. It has emerged. Ashperi Moshe Mure Zimbabwe tikuona kuti aiwa the government of Zimbabwe iri kunzi iri kubitirira iri kudikitira vakomana noda kuti aiwa avazi sure kuti crackdown ichaitika pa the upcoming SADC summit change yakamira sei, but ivo they are mobilizing kuda kuavoid zvese zvisina basa. Sambe napinda mashuka mudanyogwa news then kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda munogwa muchinzi President Emerson Mnangagwa, who assumed the rotational chairmanship of the bloc, is using the summit to rubber stamp his victory in the last year's disputed elections. Election Observer Mission said failed to meet the minimum standards for the holding of a free, fair and credible polls, according to critics. I equally encourage all Zimbabweans to continue working hard to ensure a peaceful, safe and welcoming environment for our visit delegates. With unity of purpose across the various sectors, let us collectively bear the weight and responsibility which hosting this important summit entails, he said. Mnangagwa said Zimbabwe was a maturing constitutional democracy focused on promoting and consolidating its position in the Community of Nations. Romashoko anobuda chinyongwa panapa mutungamiri wenyika vachiti ava vakomana vanhu nyika yedu inyika ine runyararo amufana kuita zvisina basa nokuda kwokuti any action aiwa tiri kuona kuti kune vanhu vari kutrainerwa for that kupenalize vanhu vese vangada kuita maprotest. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pe this quick down pina comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.